feet kind of be a little sturdier here. There we go. There you go. Good girl. Whoop, put your foot back. Her shoulders are right here. Come on. There you go. Good girl. Oh, there we go. Here we go. She has a nice short loin, at least at this early age. There we go. Good puppy. Cheese is good. Cheese is good. Okay, come here. There we go. Put your feet down. There you go. There. There you go. Good puppy. No, foot back. You don't get to help. There we go. There. Good puppy. She's got a wrinkly coat. There we go. Doing her best German Shepherd imitation. All right. Let's show your head. Pretty head. There you go. Put your feet down. Snow, I don't wanna. There we go. There we go. My fingers taste good. There we go. Good girl. Alrighty.